Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Roblox closes instantly after launching, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Roblox and click on App Settings in the right pane. Wait till it loads, it needs a while. Scroll down and terminate the process just in case any process was open in the background. Now click on Repair and wait for a few seconds till you get a tick mark here. Then reset all the settings. That's it. Now, some say that you need to reinstall it. If you have not installed it from the Microsoft Store, in that case, you can consider uninstalling it. And once it is uninstalled, search for Store in the Windows search bar. Go to the Microsoft Store and then search for Roblox here and hit enter. Go to Roblox and then click on install corresponding to it and reinstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.